Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce our AI enhanced chat system, which is assisted by the Pimono code agent.
And so first, I would like to introduce our project goals and backgrounds. So our project is based on the unit project of the chat system, and our goal is to make it more entertainment. So we added more elements into it, like the AI chatbot, and we also added some games to make it fun. And also we want it to be more educational, so we let AI can be some personalized people to chat with the users. So that can demonstrate, so this project shows the AI integration in real-time tools useful for education development and bridging human input with machine assistance. So we hope it will be helpful. And before we show our demo, I would like to have an overview of our structure. So first, I would like to introduce the Kimono AI code assistant, how we use it. And then I will introduce a brief introduce of our GUI chat interface. And I will show how the AI chatbots are worked in our chat system. And then at the last, I will show some games we added into it. So maybe some unique aspect is the personalized AI responses and also real-time indexing and some seamless multi-user support for collaborative coding and entertainment. So the first part is the Kimono AI code assistant. So users input natural language requires to generate text or document code snippets. So you can see on the right is a script reads Python code files from the project. And we use the chain-one modules to help us analyzes or summarizes the code and also let it to give us some suggestions or point out some bugs to help us to improve our efficiency. And then it's our GUI basic features. So the core chat function including user login, which we added password, also message exchange, like we can send emoji, also research history, list on online users. And our code on the right is the basic function, is the login function. So let's see the demo.
The demo of our project. As you can see here, this is the login page. Once you enter your name and password, you will be able to get in the chat room. So here you can see some basic instructions and some buttons. Like if you press the time, it will give you the time. Press the who, it will give you the current users inside the system. And the phone button, here you can enter a sonnet number and it will give you the sonnet. And if you want to chat with other users, you can connect them. So you're connect. So you can chat here like hello. It will be able to see you. And here is the emotion detector here. Once you express some feelings like I'm happy, it will detect your positive emotion and give a smiling face. But if you say that I'm angry, which is quite negative, so it will give you an angry face. So the calm face is for neutral emotions. And also, if you wanna like use some emojis in the chat, you can use this instruction and it will give you, and you can use them in your chat. Also, like in the group chat, you can see which users is joined and can see, yeah, the emotional detector.
Yeah, that's all of our demo is about the first part. And the second part is our AI chat and the conversation features. So we use the add block commands We added some functions, including you can use addbot to commands to talk with robot. And also we added conversation summaries to let the AI chatbot help you summarize. And also we add keywords extraction and image generation. Below shows we use the text from the user's last 20 messages and use it to construct prompt words to invoke the LLM to generate a summary. So let's see the demo.
So here is a section 2 about the usage of AI in our project. So this user is currently leave the chat, and you can see when you leave it, you will automatically send a bye message. So here you can directly call bot and talk with it. Also, there is an instruction called bot personality. So here you can set the personality to the bot. For example, we ask it to be a helpful assistant in English. So the personality is set. Also here, like when you are in a group chat, you can call bot inside of the group chat. Yeah. And it can analyze your bot messages. So it has memory from the context. Also, here are some instructions you can use in the group chat. For example, summary and keywords. This is the summary generated. And the keywords. Moreover, we can use the AI to generate some pictures. For example, a pig, a black dog running on the playground. So it will give you a link. You can open it. So you will be able to see. Also for the search button, you can search for items, for example, here, like hello. And you will see who said that text before.
That's the second part demo. And the last part is about our games. We added the online tic-tac-toe for multiplayer terms. And we added snake. So for one players. So below are the code the function tic-tac-toe join to handle the players join the game, check if the game is full, assign symbols, reset the round, and notify the other players. So let's see the demo.
So the last section is about the game inside our project. Here we have a snake game. You can use the button to control the snake, and once the game is over, you will see your best score and past leaderboard of the players played before. So you can see once you break the record, you will be recorded here. And if you press this button, you can also see that. So here is another game called Tic-Tac-Toe. Once the user open this page, you will be able to play at the same time here. And you can play a new round if you want.
Yes, this is a third part demo. And last, I would like to share some when we're doing this project, what we use and what challenges us. So we use a lot of libraries. I think the most important is the JSON. We use it to do the data exchange, and also LLM helper to this is for the some AI integration part. And the key design decision we make, I think probably is history management for context-aware responses. So only focus on the 20 messages in the past that will be make it more efficient and do not make mistake, misunderstanding. And also what we changed based on the origin system is we added more elements, including the AI chatbots, games, and some features to make it more funny and interesting. And when we reflect our project, so I think one of the challenges we face is we think it's hard to solve the efficiency of the AI chatbot. You can see in the demo, it is not response that fast. So maybe this is what we can do in the future to make it more efficiency and to give users more choice about the AI modules. But still, we think we are doing well in the code organization. We set modular files and we separate the data stored. We separate the data, we store them into a dedicated directions. And we also make the class design more very clear that everyone can understand based on their function. So that's all of our project. I hope this gives you a better understanding. And yes, that's all. Thanks for listening.